Welcome to Smart Money YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss all you need to know about Happiest Mind Technologies Limited IPO. Happiest Mind Technologies, the mindful IT company, is coming up with their IPO, which will be available for subscription from 7 September to 9 September 2020. Before going ahead with the video, we would like to request you all to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also tap the bell notification so that whenever we upload a new video, you get the notification in your smartphone. And also do not forget to like the video. Okay, let's start with the business. Happiest Mind Technologies Limited, positioned as Born Digital, Born Agile, is a Bangalore-based IT company. The company focuses on delivering a seamless digital experience to customers. Basically, they have three segments, that is digital business service, product engineering services, and infrastructure management security services. The digital business service unit offers digital application development and modernization, assistance in designing and testing of operation, management of the platform, consulting, and domain-led offerings. While the product engineering services helps by transforming the potential of digital by making the product secure and smart, wherein infrastructure management security services provides an end-to-end monitoring and management capability for applications and infrastructure of the clients. The company believes in providing an end-to-end solution to digital space. They have developed a customer-centric focus that aims to fulfill their immediate business requirement and to provide them strategically viable, futuristic, transformative digital solutions. Some of the domain of their work is robotic process automation, software-defined networking, network function virtualization, big data analytics, Internet of Things, cloud technology, and business process management and security. Basically, if you are an IT professional, you will understand more about their business. But for a common person who wish to invest in this IPO, they should know Happiest Mind Technology is a IT company which basically provides digital business service, product engineering services, and infrastructure management security services. The company has a global presence in countries like US, UK, Australia, Canada, and the Middle East. The business units of this company is assisted by three centers of excellence, which are Internet of Things, Analytics or Artificial Intelligence, and Digital Process Automation. The company has 350 clients globally, out of which they have 157 active clients. They help customers operating in diverse industries such as retail, edutech, manufacturing, banking and financial services, high-tech, engineering, and R&D. This is basically about their client base. About the company, Happiest Mind Technologies Limited is a company incorporated under Companies Act 1956 and having its registered office in Bangalore. The promoter of the company is Ashok Soota. He is a well-known personality in IT industry. He was also the founder of Mindtree Technologies. Let's have a look at the current majority shareholders. Ashok Soota is having around 49% of the stake. Then you have private equity investor JP Morgan, CMDB2. They have around 19% shares. Then you have Ashok Soota Medical Research Limited Liability Partnership, which is having around 12.8% of the shares. And then Happiest Mind Technologies Share Ownership Plan Trust. This is a trust who is having 4% of the shares. Objective of the issue: with this initial public offering, the company is going to raise approximately 700 crores, and out of that 101 crore, this is given in million, 101 crore will be to meet long-term working capital, and the remaining 600 crore will be for general corporate purpose. Now let's have a look at their financial summary. Equity share capital, including instrument entirely in the nature of equity, is around 45 crores. Then they have a total income of 714 crores for the financial year 2020, and the net profit is around 71 crores. You can see the net profit has increased considerably in the last 3 financial years, and they have borrowing of 78 crores at the end of financial year 2020, that is 31st March 2020. Also, let us have a look at their source of revenue. Basically, they have their 77.5% source of revenue from United States of America, 11.9% from India, 7.2% from UK, and 3.4% from others such as Australia, Canada, and Middle East. So they have their major client in US, which is the same for most of the Indian IT companies. Now quickly let's have a look at this slide. Here you can see that Happiest Mind Technologies have 97% of their revenue from digital services compared to big IT companies. Now let's come to the most important part, that is the IPO details. The IPO will be open for subscription from 7th September to 9th September. And the issue type of this IPO is book building, and the issue size is 697 to 702 crores. So the company is planning to raise approximately 700 crores from this IPO. The offer price is in the range of 165 to 166 rupees per share. The lower band is 165 rupees and upper band is 166 rupees. Minimum application of shares, that is 90 shares. You have to apply for minimum 90 shares. And maximum retail subscription, you can apply for 2 lakhs. That is basically same for all the IPOs. Then the face value of the share is 2 rupees per share, and the number of shares offered is 422.9 lakh shares. And the shares will be listed in both BSE and NSE. Before the issue, the promoter and the promoter group is currently having 61.77% of the shares, but after the issue, the promoter stake will reduce to 53.25%. Now let's quickly go through the important dates. You have to remember that issue opens on 7th of September and the issue closes on 9th of September, that is Wednesday. Finalization of basis of allotment. So allotment finalization will happen on 14th September. Initiation of refunds will happen on 15th September. That is, those who didn't get the IPO will get their refund on 15th September. Credit of shares to Demat account will also happen on 15th of September. And IPO will be listed tentatively on 17th of September in both BSE and NSE. Now let us discuss about the strength of the company and the strategy they're going to apply further expansion of their business. So their strengths are: they are a strong brand in digital IT services. They have their revenue generating customer accounts growing with a high proportion of repeat revenues and revenues from mature markets. They have a scalable business model with multiple drivers of steady growth. They have end-to-end capabilities spanning the digital lifecycle from roadmap to deployment and maintenance, and they have a strong R&D capability. These are the strength of the company. Now let's have a look at the strategy. They acquire new customers and deepen relationship with their existing customers. Further investment in their center of excellence and digital processes, strengthening existing partnership and enter into new partnership with independent software vendors. Then domain-led approach toward customer acquisition and revenue generation in specific verticals. And the most important is to attract, develop and retain skilled employees to sustain their service quality and customer experience. So with this, we have discussed all you need to know about Happiest Mind Technology Limited IPO. We hope that we have liked this video. Kindly share the video so that more viewers can get to know about the facts of the Happiest Mind Technologies IPO. If you have any feedback regarding this video, kindly write in the comment section. We would like to thank you for watching this video.